What happened?
Blue beep.
Oh shoot. So he's gonna add the air or what?
Let's see. We'll jack it up and then we'll see. If not, I have a CO2 tank. We'll blow.
Oh, we got Lockwood. Hey everyone, we are in Lebec, California, and we're gonna do Lockwood Creek to Miller Jeep Trail. I'm here with Nipoj, Bochi, Bochi, and Kuya Joseph, and we're still waiting for Kuya RC, and we're gonna head out. We have mostly all Jeep crew, 4 Jeeps and 1 Tacoma, right? It's a private Tacoma. Kuya RC, where are you at? You're late. It's almost 9.
Overland 4Low is brought to you by 4122. Protect your tow hitch with 4122 hitch lighters. Visit overland4low.com for a special discounted price on the 4122 hitch lighters.
Hey Joseph, second time?
Yes, twice.
Wait, so
Do it twice, yeah.
yeah, so second time. What are your goals for the day, man?
Well, Aziz, I will just follow you.
Follow me? All hard lines.
We'll see.
We'll try to take all the hard lines. Nips!
Yes.
Yes!
Hi.
You ready, man? This is your first time in Miller Jeep Trail.
Yeah, first time doing the Miller Jeep Trail, yeah.
And I know this, they closed this Miller Jeep Trail, right? Lockwood, they closed this?
I think in December when it snows, they're gonna close it. So I think it's our last chance to hit it. So that's why we got, did this last minute kind of. Yeah.
And I know you've been wanting to hit this trail, right?
Yeah, Miller Jeep Trail. It's in the name of the Jeep, so I mean, you just gotta do it.
Of course, of course.
And my goals are to not break down. So.
Well, we have like 5 of us, so yeah, I don't think it'll be
not
be
break
that
down
difficult.
and
Yeah.
not need to get winched. Yeah.
Dude, I want to use a winch though. I want to get a winch. So man, first time doing hard lines?
Yes, first time as a Jeep.
As a Jeep?
Yeah.
What are your expectations, man?
Expectation to have fun, and goal is to go home safely. Or
Right.
go home at least.
Yeah, so we're trying to have fun and go home safely, not break down,
Yeah.
and try to go home early, right?
Yes. And work tomorrow.
And work tomorrow. All right, RC. Oh, finally, he's here. There he is. What happened, man?
9 o'clock, right?
Alright guys, we're gonna head out. We just had a quick drivers meeting. I'll take lead. Next to me is Kuya. Bochi. Then RC, Joseph, and Nipoj for a sweep.
There you go.
We are here in the trailhead. We're gonna air down our tires. Probably gonna air down mine to 12 psi. So yep. So I want to show you guys the 4Low hub shirt.
4Low hub.
How can we get one?
Wow.
Who do we contact?
Well, contact JP.
JP, we need more 4Low hub shirt, man. Where are you, man? You're supposed to be here.
Thank you.
Alright.
I will use it responsibly.
Alright guys, finish airing down, heading to Lockwood Creek, our first trail. Right, we are now entering Lockwood Creek. A little bit of water crossing over here. Alright guys, switch to 4 low when you get here. Ready? Alright, climbing up. Keep on the left side when you go up. Let me know if you guys need spotting. It's a different feeling now compared to when I drove here on my 35s. I feel like I'm super tall.
Over everything, huh?
Yeah, low-key it's kind of scary compared to before. I feel like driving up, I'm gonna tilt it on the left side. More rocky section here. Hikers.
So we don't run into oncoming traffic.
So going up here feels like you're tilting on the left side, very uncomfortable. A lot difference from compared to last time I was here on my 35s. Right now I feel a lot taller, and every time I make those switchback turns I feel like I'm leaning towards on the right side. So yeah, but super fun, you know. It's not a boring trail where you like get sleepy. This one is actually pretty fun. Alright guys, we're just waiting for them. We should be here anytime now. But yeah, pretty nice up here, you know. I don't recommend this trail for beginners, but someone like an intermediate level, definitely this is a fun trail. Lockwood Creek.
Guys, come on.
Yes.
No, mommy, I'll stuff the jackets in the bag.
Yes. Here, Sawyer, close the door. Close the door. I'm gonna sit here. That's how much confidence I have in your ability to hold on, Kevin.
I'm gonna rub a branch here. The tree. Wait, we lost Kevin. Oh, you had a long drive.
No,
You had a long
yeah,
walk.
I
thought you were up ahead. I was like,
no,
wait a
I
second, this is far.
didn't realize.
That you're gonna have to walk back all the way?
Yeah, I thought it was like right
driving.
behind you. No, she was. So nobody's saying anything. It's like, oh, okay, I'll just keep going. And I go, I don't see anyone. So I keep slowing down. I still don't see anyone.
When you take off, and then we're like, where's Kevin? Where'd Kevin go? He's like,
This is like the flat surface, and we're gonna go down.
Dude, my drone, like.
Watch out for the rock. Still here in Lockwood Creek. Lots of off-camber section. We just finished Lockwood Creek. Upcoming next is Miller Jeep Trail, so we just park over here. This spot over here where we're gonna park and have a quick 30 minutes break. So yeah. All right, break them over. We're going to Miller Jeep Trail now. Another water crossing over here. I think there's two water crossing, but yeah. Yeah, passenger line. Check it out. Alright guys, we have a situation. One of the Jeep blew his tire, so we're gonna check it out right now. Quite long too. Okay. What happened?
The blue beep.
Oh shoot. So he's gonna add the air or what?
Let's see. We'll jack it up, and then we'll see. If not, I have a CO2 tank. We'll blow.
Right here. Is this game now?
Yeah, I think he just like he beat it. That's it.
There you go. Okay.
All right, I think.
Yeah.
What that will do?
looks like there's enough lip on there, so it might do it.
I was thinking the starter fluid.
I have a CO2 tank if we need it.
Yeah.
So we'll just like
And
take
that's
out
fast?
take out. Yeah, I can do like 150 psi. Boom.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it'll come. It'll come. Yeah.
There you go.
Yay.
Thank you guys. I'm sorry.
No,
It happens, man. No worries.
It's good. At least it's fixable.
Yeah.
It'll pop. Once it gets enough air in there, it's gonna pop. But we might have to go over pressure a little bit and then go down.
Oh, yeah. Definitely. Yeah. Rail repair complete.
I only have one extra, son.
Alright guys, so we're now approaching the first main obstacle in Miller Jeep Trail. 6 months ago we were here, and on my 35 all-terrains BFGs I took the easy line going through this obstacle, but now on my 37 I will take a little harder line.
Slow down. You're gonna drop. You're gonna drop. Yep. Go down a little bit more. Drive a little more. Drive a little more. Keep that line. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Next we have the JL Recon Rubicon. Will take the easier line going up.
There you go. Line.
Wow.
Nice. High centered. We're gonna use the winch because we are trying to take the harder line here, and we got high centered and got stuck, so Joseph gonna winch him out. Okay, good, thank you. There you go, that one. Oh. Oh, we got Lockwood.
I'll signal.
Ready?
Okay, go ahead.
Dang, it's not moving. You still in free spool or no? There you go.
This Jeep still.
There you go. All right.
All right, you can get out there yourself. Yeah.
Yep. Good. There you go. Guys, straight your wheels. There you go. Hey, cut to passenger. Good.
Oh my gosh, big. Go, more passenger, passenger, more passenger. All the way passenger. All the way passenger. Oh. Seatbelt driver. Climb up. Go driver. Driver. Nice. Keep going up. Keep that line for now. Keep that line for now. Alright, go towards driver. Good. Straighten out now. Passenger now. There you go. There you go. Yep. You're good. You're good. Driver, go driver. Go straight, straight down, straight down. Climb that, slowly. Good, good. Line it. Back a little bit. Nice. Good job.
Finish one of the main obstacles. Coming up is the last part, last section, last obstacle, and we're all done. Whew. I need to exercise. I'm out of breath.
We are now approaching the last obstacle. 6 months ago, I took the easy line going up here, but trail today looks completely different from what it was. Check it out.
You know the line? Alright. Going. Now right.
Now you're shorter.
Whoa! You're good, that's your bumper. You're good.
Alright, this is the last part, guys. It's very steep. I took the hard line over here. So, guys are coming right now. Yep, that's for definition. You won't see it, but yeah, it's very deep, guys. Hard one, right? Okay. Go towards driver now. Driver, more driver. Okay, cut back to passenger now. Passenger. All the way passenger. Passenger. Okay, driver. Driver a little bit. Passenger. There you go. Good, good, good. Climb, climb. Okay, driver.
Thank you, Kevin.
Good job. A little bit driver, a little bit driver, a little bit. Okay, keep going. Okay, passenger. Passenger. Good, good, good. Keep that line. Going straight. Good job. Right.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
I'm gonna film from the side.
Your driver tire there. It's gonna go right here. On this over here. Your driver tire.
finished the Miller Jeep, Lockwood Creek and Miller Jeep Trail, and we have the crew over here. So we're gonna ask for the response on how's the trail.
For me, it's my first time to do like a harder trail. So my mission initially was to have fun and go home safe, which I accomplished with you guys. Thank you.
I think he practiced that a lot. He was ready, man. He was ready.
It was fun, but I did all the easy parts. You get that lady over there did all the hard parts, so you can interview her.
All right.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
We'll go. You showed Nipoj what to do?
I did. He was scared, so I told him go outside, wait for me, and I'll show you how to do it. And I did. And I think I made it look too easy. Now he thinks he can do it.
Oh, that's enough.
Oh gosh, it was so fun. Many thanks to the awesome spotters. Without these guys, I couldn't get any, do any of these things. But also the next upgrade I think is to lose the belly. The Tacoma's belly. I was getting hummed up a lot, on that. So
You took all the most of the hard lines,
tried.
Yeah. Mr. Hardline.
Well, all I can say is it's always nice to see Kevin in a different level now. With 37. Always easy peasy. That's it.
Oh, guys,
That was fun.
The hard part. That was the hard.
No, really, because I just drove straight up. I was like, where's it? I was looking at it.
Different level now.
I know.
Something.
Oh, go ahead, man.
Thank you for rescuing me in the trail. Thank you. Thank you.
That was everybody.
Everyone, but
That was everybody.
Anything to say?
There you
Apo, say something, Apo.
Can you speak? Can you?
All right, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next one. Oh my god, that's a lame ending. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to follow these guys on Instagram. I'll have their links. What's your Instagram?
Tacoma.
Okay.
JDR 79.
Okay.
4122.
All right.
I didn't get one.
What do you already have yours? Okay, what's yours?
We'll travel for snacks.
Oh, there you go.
T-bot with Kuya Bodji.
All right.
This guy's bottom too.
All right,
Travel
peace.
for snacks.